Good morning, children. Today we will do revision of some topics of chapter 2, long and short. Already some topics was revised in your previous class, so some topic I'll be taking in today's class. So, learning objective for today's class is to find addition and subtraction of lengths and to draw and compare lengths. And at the end of the class, you will be able to find addition and subtraction of same unit of lengths and mixed unit of lengths, and also will be able to draw and compare given lengths. So let's start. Before that, let's recall what we had learned before, that whenever you have to add lengths, first you will always arrange them in different columns of same unit. Like if you are adding meter and centimeters, then you are going to arrange centimeters and meters in different column. If kilometer is there, kilometer in different column, you are going to arrange it into different columns. Then you start adding smaller unit. Which is the smallest unit? The smaller is centimeter. So we are going to start adding with the smaller unit. Also, we know that every 100 centimeter gets converted to 1 meter. So whenever we are adding the centimeters, every 100th of centimeter will go to meter column. And also, if we are adding meter and kilometer, every thousands meter gets converted to kilometer. Also, last one, now add the larger unit to get the answer. So after that, we will add the larger unit to get the answer. So let's see some examples of addition. First we are doing some simple addition, like first one is 73 centimeter and 31 centimeter. We have only single unit, 1 unit. So centimeter, in centimeter column we have 73 and 31. We are going to add it. So when we are adding, we start with 1's place. 3 plus 1 is 4, 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, so your answer is 104 centimeter. Second one, 6 kilometer 631 meter plus 2 kilometer 703 meter. So two different units. So we are going to arrange it into two different columns. First it is 6 kilometer 631 meter, and here we have to add 2 kilometer 703 meter. We are going to add it. So 3 plus 1 4 and 3 13 3. So here 6 plus 7 is 13, 3 and 1 will go, because it came to thousands place, so 1 will go to kilometer. So 6 9. So after adding 6 plus 2 plus 1, you get 9. So what is your answer? Your answer is 9 kilometer 334 meter. Let's see the next one. 3 meter and centimeters. So we are going to arrange into different columns of meter and centimeter. 3 meter 80 centimeter, 4 meter 45 centimeter we have to add. So we start from the smaller unit, the centimeters. 5. We will add 5 plus 0 is 5, 8 plus 4 is 12. So every 100 goes to the next one. So 2 will come here and 1 will go up, carry here. So now add the greater unit. 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 1 is 8. So what is your answer? Answer is 8 meter 25 centimeter. Okay, so I think this is clear to you all. Let's see subtraction questions. How are we doing subtraction? Again, let's follow some rules which we follow. First, again, same as in addition, we first arrange the numbers in different column of same unit. Then we start from smaller unit. And remember one thing, whenever we are subtracting, we sometimes need to borrow. So whenever we are borrowing, we should consider the relation between meter and centimeter when we are borrowing. The 1 meter will give to 100 part of the centimeter, and 1 kilometer will give to thousands part of meter. Okay, this as we are doing the question, you will understand. And last, then you will subtract the larger unit to get the answer. Let's practice some questions of subtraction. Okay, first is 94 centimeter, 39 centimeter. So here single unit centimeter is only given. From 94 you have to subtract 39. Okay, I think subtraction is very clear to you. From 4, are you able to subtract 9? No, 4 is less than 9. So what 4 will do? 4 will go to 9 and ask, and it will borrow 1. So when it borrow 1, it becomes 14 and 9 will get reduced to 8. So 14 minus 9 is 5. Okay, and 8 minus 3 is again 5. Okay, so what is your answer? Answer is 55 centimeter. Okay, let's see second question. Second question, there are two different units. So first step is we need to arrange in columns of different unit. 6 kilometer 845 meter and 2 kilometer 903 meter. You are going to subtract. So start from smaller unit, that is meter. 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 minus 0 is 4. From 8, can you subtract 9? No. So what will it do? Meter will go to kilometer and ask for 1000. So when it asks that, it will give 1 and 8 will become 18 and 6 will get reduced to 5. So 18 minus 9 is 9. Now come to the next unit, kilometer. From 5 you subtract 2, you get 3. So what is your answer? Answer is 3 kilometer 942 meter. Next question, meter centimeter is there. So again first you are going to arrange into different columns. 18 meter 28 centimeter, 4 meter 45 centimeter you are going to subtract. So when you are subtracting, let's start from the smaller one. 8 minus 5 is 3, and again from 2, 4 subtraction is not possible, so it will borrow from this 8 will get reduced to 7 and itself give here 1, so 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay, now 7 is here. 7 minus 4 is 3 and 1 is there. So what is your answer? Answer is 13 meter 83 centimeter. Let's revise the next topic, that is measure and compare. So on the screen, children, you can see there are two lines given. So we are going to measure it and then compare it. As you can see, one of the line is larger and the other one is shorter. So let's name this line. Actually, this is a line segment AB. Okay, and then let's name this as X and Y. Okay, first you will use ruler to measure line segment AB and then write here line segment AB is equal to, suppose it is coming to be 8.5 centimeter, and then you will measure the next line which is given XY, and for example suppose it is 3.2 centimeter. Okay, then after measuring and writing its measure, we will compare which one is greater from. So you can see only that AB is greater than XY. So here how do we write? We write AB is greater than XY. Okay, now we have measured and we have compared. Now we are going to find how much more greater ABA is than XY. To find how much more greater, what do? We subtract. So this side we are going to subtract to measure which one is the greater length, 8.5. From 8.5 we are going to subtract 3.2. So when we are subtracting this, 5 minus 2 is 3 and 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay. So here after subtracting you are getting 5.3 centimeter. So we will write our answer as AB is longer than XY by how much? By this answer. By how much? 5.3 centimeter. So here first we measured the given line, wrote its measure, how much ever after measuring it was coming. Then we compared which one is greater. Okay, then we found by how much it was greater, and then we wrote our answer like this, that AB is longer than XY by 5.3 centimeter. This is how we measure and compare any given lines. Now one more example. Let's see this one here. Again, let's name it as PQ and RS. We will first, what we will do, you know already. First we are going to measure the lines. PQ is equal to, let's take it as 3.5 centimeter, and after measuring RS we got it as 7.8 centimeter. Okay, then now when you compare it, you already know that RS is greater than PQ. So after comparing, we will find out how much it is greater. So which is the greater measure? 7.8. From this we will subtract 3.5. When we are subtracted, we get here 8 minus 5 is 3 and 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, so you got 4.3. So how are we going to write our answer? We are going to write our answer as RS is longer than PQ by 4.3 centimeter. So we first measured the given line, wrote the measure of it, we compared which one is greater, then we found by how much it was greater by subtracting, and then we wrote our answer as line RS is longer than PQ by 4.3 centimeter. Now on your screen you will see one worksheet. This worksheet will be uploaded along with today's class, and this is based on the place value of numbers, and there you can see a link I have shared in the worksheet. This link, you will click on this link and you will open. I have explained to you how it has to be done. This is the measurement which you are going to follow, and this is how it will look after completing. So just follow the link, and you are going to choose the number according to your house. If you are Krishna house, you are going to do this one, Kaveri, Ganga, Yamuna. According to the house, you are going to take the number and then complete your activity. Thank you so much, children. Stay healthy, stay safe.